Welcome to Global Products MERX Ophthalmology Practice Management and EHR software. This is the main login screen of our software. We will log in using a test clinic, hospital, or a facility. When we log in, we are taken to the main dashboard of our software. The images on the dashboard are links for quick access to the most frequently used submodules in our EHR, such as patient registration, appointment scheduler, walk-in patient, clinical management, insurance billing module with pre-authorization billing, claim insurance, and the inventory module. And there is a detailed navigation menu on the left hand side as well for accessing the different modules within MERX EHR, such as patient management, visit management, clinical management, which includes subspecialties, surgery management, then the inventory module to view the current stock, add stock, and the insurance billing part, such as listing pre-authorization and the reports. The doctor module or the clinical management part is accessed by clicking on patient to consult image, which shows a list of patients that have arrived into the clinic for the day, and the name of the patients whose consultation is in progress and the ones for whom the consultation has been completed. We click on the name of the patient and we are taken to the clinical management dashboard, which includes links for quick access to submodules within the practice management and EHR software, such as general ophthalmology, OPD images, attachments, letter management, investigations, the surgery module, surgery management, and subspecialties such as cornea, eye injury, the pediatric subspecialty, retina, keratoplasty, and glaucoma. We start with general ophthalmology. We click on the general ophthalmology image, which takes us to the general ophthalmology submodule. Here, examinations can be recorded by clicking on add update. Now, the examinations submodule has two columns. In the left hand column are the main examinations, the list of main examinations, and the right hand column lists all the associated findings for each of the examination. And the selections of the findings are made by clicking on the check boxes. So here we can see in the ocular examination there are complaints, family history, ophthalmic history, ocular examination, which consists of vision with subdivision into distant vision, near vision, color vision. The selections can be made for left eye, right eye, or both the eyes. Color vision, slit lamp examination, anterior chamber, fundus examination, which is again subdivided into media, optic disc, blood vessels, macula, and the selections can be made by clicking on the check boxes. Orbit squint examination, which again covers the cover test, head posture, ocular movements, gonioscopy, sac syringing. Once all the selections have been made, they will be displayed in the panel. Examinations or new examinations other than those which are listed in the examinations panel can be added by clicking on new examination. The new examination can be added under a parent examination or a completely different new examination by typing in the examination name and by giving it a sequence number according to the preference of the doctor. So once the examinations are selected, the findings are selected, they will be displayed in the examinations panel. The next up are the patient medical and social history. They can be recorded, wherein we have provided certain options. Again, these can be selected by clicking on the checkbox, and text boxes have been provided, wherein specific comments can be typed and saved, and those will be displayed in the patient medical and social history panel. Diagnosis can be recorded, wherein MURX has ICD-10 code diagnosis database. There are two options: diagnosis non-ICD, for diagnosis which are not covered in the ICD code database or the ICD codes, and the diagnosis with the ICD-10 codes. If we type in the name of the main diagnosis, the ICD codes and the diagnosis for cataract will be displayed and can be selected by just clicking on the specific diagnosis. Similarly, for retina, glaucoma, for a non-ICD diagnosis, a listing can be added to the masters, and it can be added to or modified, such as if you just type in the specific name. So this list can be built upon as required by the doctor, thus eliminating the need to type in every time a new patient comes in and saving upon the time. As many diagnoses as required can be added, and once they are saved, the diagnosis along with the ICD codes, or for non-ICD diagnosis, the code given by the doctor or hospital will be displayed. Now, MURX has a drug database, and a prescription is also generated within MURX. To prescribe medications, we click on add and just type in drop, and listing of most of the eye drops will be displayed, which can be selected from. Similarly, eye ointments, and options have been given, such as frequency, twice a day. You can select the number of days, the eye. Any specific advice or comment can be added to in this text box and saved. Again, as many drugs or medications as needed can be selected and added to the list. Staggered medication can also be prescribed in MURX. Once the medication has been selected and saved, it will display in the prescription panel, and this medication can be made the default prescription for the diagnosis selected. So when a new patient comes in and is diagnosed with the similar diagnosis, this medication will be displayed, thus saving upon the doctor's time, which is save the information. Clinical vision details can be recorded by clicking on add update, and values selected from the table and save, and they will be displayed in the panel. Similarly, for auto refractometer readings, optometric glass vision details for distant and near vision can be recorded by selecting from the values given in the chart, eliminating the need to type in the values. For distant and near vision, values can be selected and they will be displayed in the glass details panel. Similarly, for the prism readings, Glass type pair listing can be added to or modified in the software as required by the doctor. There's an advice panel, permanent reminder, and next visit reminder. This listing for advice, permanent reminder, and next visit reminder can be added to or modified once or anytime by the doctor as needed. This listing thus doing away with the need to type in every time the patient is sitting in front for consultation. Permanent reminder has been provided for displaying during each of the visit. Again, this list can be added to or modified as required. And similarly, the next visit reminders for a specific visit can be selected and saved. This was the OPD module. Next is the surgery module. We click on surgery. From within the OPD module, or it can be done from the main clinical management page. Here there's a listing of all surgeries. This listing too can be added to or modified as and when required by the doctor in surgery master. Select the surgery, select the surgery date, and save it. Next are the surgery listing or the surgeries which have been scheduled. The steps for surgeries can be added to or modified in MURX. A printout can also be taken of the scheduled surgeries. Once it is saved, it will get added to the surgery completed, and the details will be displayed, whatever details were saved. A discharge summary is generated in MURX, which gives the name of the surgery, the diagnosis, medications which were selected, the name of the surgeon. The list can be added to, and the name of the surgeon can be selected, the associate surgeon, the anesthesia given can be recorded, and the anesthetist. So a discharge summary can be printed in MURX for the surgery conducted. And a printout can be taken. This format which will print out the information which was selected. Operation notes, if any recorded, will also be printed. Medications, the follow-up, details, intraocular lens can be recorded. The design listing can be added to or modified, and also the company names for the IO lens. And in the surgery master, pre-surgery instructions, post-surgery instructions can be added to or modified as mentioned before. And similarly for surgery steps and post-surgery instructions. To select from during these surgeries, during recording the surgery clinical data, thus saving upon time required for typing in the relevant information. Images captured using photographs can be uploaded in MURX in the attachments module, and the image can be marked up using the built-in image editor. So we click on add attachment. There's a image category from which to upload. Select the image, upload and save it. And the image can be edited using the built-in image editor. Areas can be marked up. And the image saved for the patient, for that particular patient visit ID. Similarly, lens details can also be recorded. With the model type and company names added to and modified as before. Coming to the billing and payments submodule, the billing head and the amount can be added as required, and payment method can be selected, such as cash, check, card, and the details recorded as required. Investigations can be prescribed. For the patient by selecting from the list just perimetry, B scan, ranking test, A scan biometry, and saving it. Going to the main OPD page, a prescription can be printed out in MURX. Prescription preferences have been provided, such as print prescription with glasses, print prescription only, that is for medications, with header, footer. Header will include the main letterhead header, diagnosis with investigation findings and advice if any, and the prescription can be printed in PDF or Word format. Save the options and click on print prescription, which will be saved, and a sample format can be seen over here. All of the preferences that were selected, the data saved will be printed out. The investigations, medications, the glass details. This was the general ophthalmology module. And MURX has subspecialties such as cornea, eye injury, pediatric, retina, keratoplasty, and glaucoma. So we click on cornea. can record history of presenting illness. This image can be edited in using the image editor, intraocular pressure, operative details, the differential diagnosis, topography, patchometry information, conjunctival swab, corneal scrape. Then the injury subspecialty, again classification of the injury, closed globe injury, open globe injury, ocular trauma score, the Roper Hall classification, retina, complete anterior segment, peripheral exam, Amsler grid, keratoplasty subspecialty, corneal patchometry, axial length, IOP using Short's, eye care applanation, all the information, surgeon donor details, post-op information, then glaucoma subspecialty, medications, any details and a date, intraocular pressure, fundus examination, OCT, perimetry, and the pediatric subspecialty, which includes complaints, the duration, squinting of eyes, birth history, vision details, color vision, squint motor assessment. These were the subspecialties in MURX. And for clinical management, and then we have the inventory module in MURX, wherein you can add items in the specific category, drug, non-drug, the stock name, stock keeping unit, the minimum reorder quantity, and the information added will be displayed in the page itself. Current stock can be viewed with the expiry date added for the medications, the brand, batch number, purchase price, MRP, the quantity is available. The list bill for a patient for inventory and stock billing. This was the inventory module in the software. This is the MURX ophthalmology practice management and EHR software.